Hello, welcome to our channel. In today's video we are going to look at how to save money and live on a budget to become financially independent. Most people need help to start budgeting and saving money for understandable reasons regularly. No matter how committed you are to a well-planned budget, it's easy to spend cash on useless things. Start budgeting and saving money by taking the time to produce a plan. This will help you reorganize your finances, establish spending priorities, and manage your debt, which will help you get nearer to your long-term financial goal of starting budgeting and saving money. Make a classic budget. Planning your money can give you a clear picture of where your money is going and where you'll be utilizing it more efficiently. It serves as the cornerstone of a sensible financial plan. There are multiple reasons to cast aside time to formulate a plan, especially given that you can do it in only 4 very straightforward steps. 1. Compile all your taxes, invoices, pay slips, financial records, and other records of expenses. 2. Make a budgeting sheet using a Google Sheets budgeting design, an Excel spreadsheet, or paper and a pen. 3. To gain a rough idea of your financial situation, add up each set of numbers and deduct your expenses from your sum of revenue. 4. Examine your expenditures more detail and divide them into permanent, fluctuating, and discretionary costs. There are other options if you wish to avoid creating a traditional budget. For instance, you can think about organizing your plan of starting budgeting and saving money using the 50-20-30 guideline. You spend 50% of your after-tax income is on housing, clothing, and other needs when utilizing this budgeting method. 20% on growing assets or reducing debt. 30% of expenditures can be spent on anything. Use apps. A budgeting application that can be installed on your smartphone, iPad, or laptop provides an alternative option to a budget. Your preferred app typically monitors your expenditure and creates a monthly statement broken down by expenditure category, after being linked to your bank or card services account. Utilize your budget. After assessing what more cash you are paying and where you're at more vital place, take the appropriate measures to put your financial stability first. Automate your savings. Enrolling in auto savings is a great and practical way to start building wealth. Open a bank account and connect it to your checking account so that a manageable, predetermined amount is regularly sent there each month. Shop smart and live frugally. Plan your monthly meals and food preparation on accessible, healthy ingredients, and create a shopping list based on these menus. By setting aside one day each week for shopping, you can avoid making errand runs to the store frequently. When that time comes, go to a nearby cheap market with your list and stick to it. To save page turning and requiring scissors, try using one of the many coupon applications that are currently available. Shop at yard sales, thrift shops, and vintage shops for clothing, furnishings, or toys, but invest in new beds, soft furnishings, swimwear, bike helmets, shoes, and other items instead. Never purchase these second-hand things. Please make an effort only to spend any money when it is genuinely required. Utilize the public library to get books rather than filling your home with pricey volumes that you'll likely never or rarely open. The techniques listed below assist you in starting budgeting and saving money. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like our videos and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one.